The measures of angles of triangle are given by these three expressions, and we have to find the measure of each angle and classify the triangle by its angles. So we know that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write equation that 4 times square root of 4x degrees plus 4 times square root of 4x degrees plus square root of 4x degrees is equal 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees and we can take down this parenthesis. So we have 4 square root of 4x plus 4 square root of 4x plus square root of 4x is equal 180. So now, because we have under square root the same expression, so we can add the numbers before this square root. So we have 4, 4, and here is invisible 1. So we have 8, 9 times square root of 4x is equal 180. Next, I will divide both sides by 9 because we have multiplication here. So 9 and 9 you can reduce, and we have that square root of 4x is equal 20. So now I will take to second power both sides to reduce the square roots. So we will have 4x is equal 400. So now I will divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 100. We have our unknown x. Now we have to find the measure of angles of our triangle. So first angle has expression 4 times 4 square root of 4x, and the second is the same. So it means we have isosceles triangle here, and the third has square root of 4x degrees. So let me copy here. First expression is 4 times square root of 4x degrees. This is equal. Now I will substitute x by 100. So this is equal 4 times, and under square root we have 4 times 100 degrees. This is equal 4 times square root of 4 times 100, so it's 400 degrees. So this is equal 4 times square root of 400 is 20. So this is equal 80 degrees. The second expression is the same, so we have two angles 80 degrees, and the third angle is square root of 4x. So we have square root of 4 times 100, because x is 100. So this is equal square root of 400 is 20. So this is 20 degrees. So we see that these three angles are acute angles because the measures of angles are less than 90 degrees. So we have three acute angles. So we have here acute triangle. This is my solution.